Hello respected teachers of Basudev Memorial Girls Degree College. Myself Archana Rajput. I am a student of B.Ed second year. Today I am presenting a topic NCERT. NCERT full form is National Council for Educational Research and Training. NCERT was established in New Delhi on 1st September 1961 for providing academic support in improving the quality of school education in India. It is the academic advisor to Ministry of Human Resources Development, that means HRD, of the Government of India. The ministry draws upon NCERT's expertise while formulating and implementing policies and programs in the area of school and teacher education, funded by the Government of India. This autonomous organization is registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. Organization of NCERT. It is divided into two parts. First, general body. Second, executive committee. First, general body is the main body of NCERT. It makes the policies of the NCERT with the Union Minister of Human Resource Development as its president. All the ministers of education in the state and union territories are its member. Its membership pattern helps in taking policy decision at the highest level. Second, executive committee. The governing body of NCERT is the executive committee, with the Union Minister for HRD, that means Human Resource Development, as its ex officio president. The Union Minister for State is its ex officio vice president, assisting the executive committee dealing with finance. Some objectives of NCERT. So, important objectives of NCERT are as follows: to conduct innovative pre-service teacher education courses at regional levels across the country, to build capacities of teachers, teacher educators and state level key function, to work for bringing out reforms in the evaluation process, examination system, to work for promoting equity and inclusion in school education, recognizing diverse capabilities and talents in children, to act as a nodal agency of universalization of elementary education and secondary education and improving the quality of education. Last word is to provide academic and tactical support for achieving the national goal of vocational education. Function of NCERT. Function of NCERT broadly related to research and development in the service and pre-service training, extension and dissemination work. All this related to achieve the main objective of improving the quality of education. So, first function is development curriculum, instructional and exemplar materials, methods of teaching, techniques of evaluation, teaching aids, kits, equipment, learning resources, etc. Second is organize pre-service and in-service training of teachers, teacher educators and other educational personnel. Next, conducts and promotes educational research. Next is disseminates improved educational techniques and practices and research findings. Acts as a cleaning house for ideas and information on all matters relating to school education and teacher education. Next is to undertake, promote and disseminate research, innovation, experimentation in areas related to school education and teacher education. Next, to develop national curriculum, framework, syllabi, textbooks and other support materials for students and training and reference materials for teachers, teachers educators, policy planners, etc. in tune with contemporary concerns. And last one is to develop and disseminate innovative materials, print and multimedia and explore use of new ICTs for school education. Thank you.